morning guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Just a quick share today, just an unboxing of my the latest vintage ephemera box from Rosie at Our Atelier. My September box came through yesterday, and I ordered a couple of extra bits as well, so I thought I would do a share with you. But just to say that this here, oh, now the sun comes out and we get a shadow. Interesting. Let's just move across and see if that makes a difference. Yes. Okay. I think so. Perils of filming outside. So just to say that what we have on here are basically samples of the acrylic stamps that are part of the kit, the set, and it's beautifully boxed. So I just thought, it's almost a shame to open it, isn't it? Just thought that I would try and do this little share with you. I ordered some washi as well, and I think did I order something else? I can't remember. I think I ordered a couple of extra bits. I know the washi definitely should be in there, I'm hoping, but that is beautiful. That vintage typewriter and script really appealed to me. So open here, let's just do that. I've actually got, oh yes, and some rubber stamps, some extra rubber stamps that are vintage fashion. I think I ordered those, so that should be in here, and I am hoping to use them in a journal I'm working on at the moment for my first junk journal junkie swap. Let's see, I'm hoping now. Right, so let's see guys, let's see what we have. What do we have? So, oh, that looks like, oh, has sun come out again? The washi, which I fell in love with. She's had some beautiful new washies in just recently. It's definitely worth a look. This one was called Ladies by the Window, I think. Is that the one that or is that something else? Let's have a look. No? Or did this? Do you know what? I can't remember if this actually came with. No. Wow. No, it doesn't look like what I ordered. It's probably then part of the. It's probably part of the ephemera box. So we've got that, which is beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. What else have we got? What else have we in here? Let's have a look. These little lovelies. Oh yes, these were traditional Japanese theatre posters, I think. It's probably best, I'll probably do a little link below so that you can to her YouTube channel where she explains what all the different pieces are. So this here, this little thingy of goodies here. Tell you what, no, that's not. Let's pop that down there like that and see, shall we? So we have, it's very, 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 right, let's have a look. Little like washi stickers with a real Japanese flavour. I have a friend who's just started journaling, her journaling journey, who loves all things Japanese. I might be doing a little share with her because I think she'll love these. Interesting. These little papers. papers, and tiny little, like little tabs. Oops. Tiny little tabs, like little washi tabs. Interesting. And let's have a look at this one and that one. Aha! Some more postcardy things. Let's have a look at these postcardy things, guys. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I think my friend Becky would absolutely adore these. I might do a little share with her, I think. There we go. There we go. Let's put them on there so we can see what we've got. Oh, these are so cute. And then we do have a little, like a little post-it. Okay. October. I've got these. I bought the whole set. Put that by. She does these for the whole year. These little vintage calendars. Cards. I love these. Just how pretty are they? Just how pretty are they? And if you love architectural drawings and things. Oh, that's lovely. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. So this is just for the month of September, mind. Let's pop that there for now. Let's pop that there for now. Now these are the stamps. That's quite a size actually. That is quite a nice size. And that's going to be lovely for diaries, planners, won't it? Do you not think? Planners and things. Fabulous, love that. Love. Very pleased with that. That really did catch my eye. Was very excited about that. And then the set here of the stamps, the Vintage Lady stamps that I'm very excited about. Wow. Oh my word. These are beautiful. These are absolutely gorgeous. So I think she probably still has some of these. Wow, yes, this is going to be, because my the swap I'm doing is going to be, the cover is that linen in black, gold and cream. Oh my word, guys, look at these. How gorgeous. I'm very pleased. Very pleased indeed. How lovely. Imagine doing your, and they're a nice size. I'm sorry I haven't got my calendar ruler to actually give you an idea of size, but these are absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Very pleased. Hold on. So feast your eyes on these guys. Absolutely. Oh Rosie, you've outdone yourself. That's those. And there's even one more, so I must have ordered the whole, there's a whole set of 4. Now, is that that? Well. Yep, very pleased with these indeed. So these are my Vintage Lady stamps, and those will be featured in my these are slipping, that's a bit rude, isn't it? Oh, this is the window thingy I was thinking about. Going mad. Let's pop this down. Tell you what, I actually brought some scissors out. Let's pop these to one side, put it back in the box. and then we'll have a look at this washi, shall we? What's that? Actually, let's quickly have a look at these first, and then I'm going to pop a bit of the washi onto some paper, and we can see what it's like. Also, now which stamp is this? So we always get you get rubber, you know, the cling-on stamps, and you get wooden stamps as well. So that's that one with the September, yeah, September, and that one, which is beautiful. Oh, how excited am I about these? How excited! How excited! Oh, a real investment, a real investment. So yes, let's have a look at this one quickly, and then let's have a play with the window washi. Fading is okay, like that. So that's that one. So this obviously was kind of part of the. Did I order this? Very Art Nouveau, isn't it? Very Art Nouveau. Anyway, let's. I love it. Love. But let's have a look at this. This is the one that I fell in love with. As I say, she's got loads at the moment of new washies coming in. This is something Ladies by a Window, and let's open it up and try them all. As you can see, guys, I'm going to have to probably gather up all my supplies from all over the garden, and as soon as I turn the camera off. Sorry about the state of my dry hands. And well, this is a bit of a chore, isn't it? No, that's not really helping. It's not really helping. Right, here we go. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Wouldn't believe that it was as calm as anything when I first came out here. Right, here we go, guys. I'm sorry about that. It's a bit of a car crash, but here we go. Let's see what we can do. So I've kind of ruined. So the quotes at the bottom. So let's go across here like that. Can you see this? Can you see that? How gorgeous that is? Beautiful Moon River Silver Screen Classics album version. How lovely. Love has no other. I can't read them all now, but I just want you to have a good look at all the different verses. How pretty. And so it goes on. So which is that one then? Which was that one? Was that something different? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So that's the washi that I absolutely adore. I shall probably pop some of that into the new journal too, the swap journal. And that's it, guys. That's it. I'm sorry about the fussing about with the washi, but I just wanted to, as I say, have a share and let you see the kind of different things that Rosie supplies, but you will be seeing a lot more of this, a lot more of these, because they are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So pleased with these. So yeah, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Do take care. Thanks for stopping by and for taking the time out to just have a look through this video with me. If you haven't actually subscribed before, you do like what you see, please just hit like and subscribe. And also, I know it's really obvious to some, it wasn't to me for a while. Just hit the little bell button on the side if you'd like a notification of every time I put a new video out. I try to post something sort of 2 to 3 times a week. And the next thing I'm going to be doing probably is be looking at my daybook, working on that. So I'll see you then. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.